Look what we did, the school of hard knocks, I got up and chada. I remember I'm trapped in a mix, nakulisu hlupheka namanje kusazama. Bathi marake, umculo akuyashisa umonga me. I'm tryna get better, blow 100Ks, kade ngihlupheka, so manje sengifuna ipay. Uphaphela mina umelele, though I'm not a pub, I'll catch a fade. Okay. Welcome Peter indoda siyakubona lapha.
Yeah.
Njami yazi no senza neng mina ngifuna njami ungishayele like at least a young 16 yabo.
Young 16.
Yeah, young 16 yana before we get to like the actual parts lethina sifuna yangizona. Whereby after like lama freestyle lawa I want you to tell me ukuthi as we know ukuthi you are an artist yabo.
Yeah,
What are you working on yabo as all that yabo. But okwamanje let's start here. When ngiconka njami nje at least is 8 or 16 tell me what you got.
8 or 16 nje. Fede. This one is dedicated to all my stoners. It's a young.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
16 freestyle since ngipemile yabo. Yeah, sure. Strike a stick on a scratcher, not a lightning. Getting high like it's a ladder that I'm climbing. Stoner for life, nigga, the weed is not for time being. My weed is your weed, Mary Jane, to find peace. Smoke the special kind, trip in your paradise like palm tree. My confidence is times through and I smoke myself to find 3. 420 every day, nigga, blaze. I got the weed, you can pull up with a page. Eyes are red, something that a book can chase. The weed grade higher than my high school. Fuck.
What are you saying, man? What are you saying? What is he saying?
Mina ngiyakuzwa njami yangithanda.
Yeah,
So
sure.
now as wazi ke ukuthi kwabhuti wakho kwenziwa kanjani indoda, you don't have to go here without me giving you something to rap on.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Sure.
Then you tell me what you got, yabo. Cause manje as an MC, nami as I know, every MC gotta be able to drop something once I call him out
Yeah,
to wherever I'm gonna. So please, bro, do something for me. Nali beat mfethu ngidlala ngishaya play manje nje wanga rap ngithela impama mina ngifani no speed kampani.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you, we don't care.
Ancengi ngishaya impama mina pha. Siye njalo.
Will deliver, hot man.
Let's go.
What is it worth to live life on this earth?
Alias is a bit.
Gotta find a way to make it okay.
Guys, something.
What is the answer?
Yeah. Shit. Sunday morning begging church goers to prayer keepers. Cause on a daily we be battling the cheapest creepers. Finna go far from the ghetto, declining bro for visas. Can't take a D to my ass, sorry I'm not your beavers. Don't see it proper like moments of having seizure. Even when I go ape shit, I'm smart as Caesar. Pray to God that I blow soon like morning reefer. In this life I got more goals than scored in FIFA. The truth I tell is more naked than all the strippers. Into the badlands I'm son to bring all your clippers. I'm generation we gifted like Father Christmas. Father forgive us, admit to being bunch of sinners. We find our happiness in sipping different liquors. I don't care if I don't eat tonight as long my dick does. 10-year kid, but I've never had the whiskers. We imperfects because we come across the blisters.
God damn.
Yeah, keep it going.
Yeah, booyah.
Yeah,
Okay, let's go. Hey. God damn, okay. I think ilabuya whatever.
Yeah. Blessings raining, your bitches falling like dominoes. When I'm grabbing a rubber, that's when I touch these hoes. Got a crashy at 10, like when I count my toes. My babo, fire flow, like volcano limes, Antaskaga bone. I can check, that's why these giants finna grab my bones. Niggas keep imaginary, niggas throw their pros. Minds I really cannot filter my pros. Yeah. Plans and rumors, they circulate. Time to shout, will ejaculate. At the ghetto, evacuate. You know the ghetto, I don't gotta elaborate. Minds is hungry, so I gotta contemplate how I hustle played. Clever fish, they didn't catch me, but I got the bait. Gotta say, man, I really love the taste.
Yeah.
I love the taste.
The taste, yeah.
I taste the beat, the taste the weed,
God damn.
tasty, and enjoy. Hey,
my dog.
I say keep it peachy, tatty.
Otherwise, as I said, ngicela ukuthi ungitshele ukuthi what are you working on. Abantu like abantu out here ungasiboni isikwenzo siyabo. Abantu out here are waiting, yabo. And there's most of people who are watching, yabo, and somebody out here maybe is impressed, yabo. So sispana kuyini dog?
I feel it is an upcoming EP. It's called the Official Rap Show.
Yeah.
So last year, 2 years back actually, I dropped an EP. I called it the Rap Show, but this one is the official one.
Okay.
So this is something you can expect from the EP.
Okay, nini so must begin.
Izophuma nje early next year.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So any projects out, or you already you've said with you've dropped something?
Yeah, something on audio.
Okay,
It's called
yeah.
the Rap Show.
At least if I was to have it at least foot in YouTube, that would be better. But then we'll work on that.
I'll work on something.
Yeah, please. I thank you, dog. Appreciate it, and to everybody, Obugele, shout outs. This one is dedicated to all the stoners. Tango.
You can deny, seeing your eyes, and allow me time to. Rather than you giving to yourself, it's so pure.